So as it stands at the moment, making good progress. The engine is finished, the engine is pretty much all done. The only thing that we've got to do with the engine is do some cadmium plating just to make the engine a little bit more presentable. We've got the classic radio to fit. A colleague of mine is going to be doing that. And then we've got alignment to do. We've also had some new tyres installed as well. So we're making good progress. There's a few little minor things we've got to take care of. We're going to put some new wheel nuts on there. And also the stone guard on the rear fenders, they're going to be replaced. And maybe some paintwork touch up here and there. I know we've got several weeks to go, so I'm pretty confident that we can get things into the condition that it needs to go and be showed. Yeah, I mean, by the time we finish with it, within a few weeks, it will be, a real gem of a car, that's for sure.